If 1050, this is the next problem in ratio, proportion and variations. If 1050 is divided into three parts, okay, proportion to 1 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 6, then what is the first part? Okay, so 1050, 1050, it is divided into three parts and they should be in the ratio of 1 is to 3, 1 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 6. 1 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 6. Okay. Then what is the first part? Then what is the first part? The same logic we will follow wherever ratios in fraction, you convert it into full numbers. Wherever ratios are there, okay, you convert it into full numbers. So what I will do, 1050, I have to get the full integer form. The ratios I have to get in the full integer form. Okay, I will make LCM. I will make LCM if I put 24 as LCM. Okay, or 12. I will take 12 as LCM. I will take 12 as LCM. Numerator will be 4. Then here it will be 9 and here it will be 8. 4 is to 9 is to 8. Okay, they are in the ratios 4 is to 9 is to 8. We have to divide them in this ratio. Okay, so the thing is the fractions, okay, I am converting to integer model. I am converting to integer, okay, model. 4 is to 9 is to 8. Now, what is the first portion? What is the first portion? Let me use another color. Now, the first portion value, wherever you get the ratios in terms of fraction, you kindly convert it into integers. So, this is the first part. This is the first part, which is nothing but 4 by 21. 9 plus 8 plus 4. 21 how I got? 9 plus 8 plus 4 is the total. 9 plus 8 plus 4 is the total amount available. In that 4 portions is the first part. 4 portions is the first part. Okay. 4 by 21 is the first part of the total 1050. 4 by 21 is the first part of the total 1050. Okay. Now I will cancel with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 5s are 0 and 7s are again cancel with 7. It is 50 and 50 into 4 it is 200. So first part is 200. Okay. So from the previous problem what we got? From the previous problem what idea we got? Everywhere wherever the ratios are in fractions you have to convert them to integers. Wherever they are available in fractions you have to convert them to integers. Okay. And for fractions to integers this is the model. How we have got the fractions to integers? Make LCM. Okay, make LCM for denominators. It is becoming 12. Then get the fractions of numerator. You will be able to convert fractions to integers. Okay, the answer is 200. Answer is 200. I am going to the next problem. A room contains boys and girls. If there are twice as many boys as girls, there are twice as many boys as girls, find the ratio of girls to the total people. Okay, the thing is, if you take boys to girls, okay, boys are twice, okay, the number of girls. Boys are twice the number of girls. Okay, this sentence, twice boys as many number of girls are present. Okay, now this is of the form 2 is to 1. In general, in a class, boys will be more in number in general based on education system. Okay, in general. Nowadays, very minute branches we are having girls more in number. In general, this is a general category I am talking of. Find the ratio of girls to the total people. Girls to the total people. Girls to the total class. Okay, so total class is nothing but boys plus girls. And you know that boys are 2 times of girls. Okay, in the class strength of boys are 2 times of girls. So if you take G common, so this is 3 times and this is 1 by 3. 1 is to 3. Find the ratio of girls to the total. Girls to the total, it is 1:3 ratio. 1:3 ratio. So here little bit sentence, it is not clear because the questions I have taken from internet. Okay. So however, this is the meaning. I explained you the meaning. Now I am going to the next problem. Maybe many more problems are there. As per the time, we will wind up. As per the time, we will wind up. So it is 42 only. The number of male teachers in a school is 20% more than number of female teachers in the school. Okay. The thing is, not many colors available. So here, male teachers are, okay, 20% more than female teachers. Number of female plus 20% more than the female present. Okay, 20% more than the female teachers. What is the ratio of male and female teachers? Now, first of all, we will make the LCM. If you make 100 as LCM, 120, and it is nothing but 6 by 5 times of female. Male is nothing but, okay, 6 by 5 times of female. So the last sentence, what is the ratio of male and female teachers? What is the ratio of male and female teachers? If you bring F to the left side, it is nothing but 6 by 5. If you bring F to the left side in the previous line, it is 6:5 is the ratio. 6:5 is the ratio. Okay. Now I am going with next last problem. Last problem. A bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins in the ratio 5:9:4. 5:9:4. Okay. Amounting to 206 rupees. Total amount is 206 rupees. Find the number of coins of each type respectively. Okay. So 206 rupees we are having. 206 rupees we are having. 50 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin and 10 paisa coin in the ratio of 5:9:4. 5:9:4. Okay. Now what is the total number of 50 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin, 10 paisa coin? So the total amount will be 206. Okay. So first of all, let us take the ratio as it is. Let us take the ratio as it is. I will complete with this problem. If you multiply 5 into 50, it becomes 2 rupees 50 paisa. 25 into 9, it will become 2 rupee 25 paisa. 10 into 4, it will become 40 paisa. Okay. Is it correct? 25 paisa, 9, it is 2.25. This is 2 rupee 50 paisa. This is 45 paisa. If you add, how much it will be? If you add all this, okay. So what is the answer? 15. 5 rupees 15 paisa. 5 rupees 15 paisa. Okay. So when it will become 206 rupees? When it will become 206 rupees? What is the multiplication factor? Okay, you find out that multiplication factor and then you have to use it for multiplying the ratios. You have to find out what is the multiplication factor. Okay, when it will become 5 rupee 15 paisa, when it will become 206 rupees. 206 rupees. So 5 into 20, 40. If you multiply with 40, 15 paisa into 40. 15 paisa into 40, it is exactly, okay, 15 paisa into 40. If I multiply with 40, it is becoming 206 rupees. So multiply this numbers, the ratios with 40. Okay. So this is the total count. Okay. So finally the answer is 50 paisa, 25 paisa, 10 paisa. They are 200 number 50 paisa, 360 coins, 25 paisa, and 160 coins, 10 paisa coins. 160 coins, 10 paisa coins. Okay. And what they are asking, find the number of coins of each type. Okay. So 200, 360, 160. 200, 360, 160 is the answer. This you have to find. Okay, this is step 1. This is step 1 I am writing. Okay, and as it is I have just added. This is step 2. As it is I have just added. Here this is step 3. How this will become 206, and final answer is my step 4. Final answer is my step 4. Okay, go through it, and still some more problems are there. I will put it as tutorial. Only 3 more problems are left out. I am very happy because I got many problems. I thought it will not be completed in the class. Okay, however, only 3 problems are left. Only 3 problems are left. I will put it for tutorial. Thank you. I will take attendance just 1 minute.